Hi there. So I've got another episode of Learn to Code, Code to Learn coming up, and I'm moving on to Erlang. So I need to set my machine up. So I thought I'd walk that through and put it out as an IT Wildcard video, as I've been doing with the other languages, the other programming languages in the series. So yeah, very easy again to set up. I have a pretty much standard way I do this, which is to download the software, install it, make sure it works at the command line, and then install the appropriate coding add-ons in Visual Studio Code. And that's what I've exactly done here. I'll walk you through it. I've done this already, but I'll just walk you through the procedure of how you do it. So first of all, you want to go to the Erlang website and include a link to this and get Erlang. So I'm using Windows. In my case, it's Windows 11. So I just basically downloaded it. It downloaded here. I actually have, here's a copy that I prepared earlier. So I'm just going to actually stop this. There you go. So yeah, here's my copy already downloaded. I just double clicked on that. It walked me through an install. So I'll just do the first bit here. Yeah, you get this come up. The DLLs are already present. So you just click next and walk your way through the installation. Once you've done that, on Windows 11, there shouldn't be any need to reboot. It should just work. What I then did is just switch to the getting started, which I'll also include a link to, and made a note of this simple hello world program so I can test it. And so once I did that, I just went on to the next couple of steps. You can see I've got the hello world program here ready to go, saved as hello.erl into my Erlang folder that folder structure that I use for my Learn to Code, Code to Learn series. Then it's just a question of going into the extensions, typing in Erlang, and I simply installed this one, the Erlang language extension. I've been keeping it fairly simple with these, just installing the language extension, and that's enough. So I get, syntax highlighting and other various things. I've also opened up a terminal, and you can see I've done a dry run of this already. So I just need to get into the Erlang command line. So in Windows, that's whirl. There we go. Then I need to compile the Hello World program. So for this, because of the way I've named it, it's just a simple thing of doing C, open bracket, hello, close bracket. Remember to put the dot at the end actually, because this is acts like a REPL, so you can actually do sort of interactive, just line by line stuff in here as well, I believe. And then to run the program, let me see if there we go. Maybe is it gonna? No, I thought I was going to save a bit of time for myself there. Not to worry. So yeah, just hello. And in this case, we do hello. I'm really just following the instructions actually on the website, and I'll include a link to that to get this Hello World program to work. And this is just making sure that everything's working okay. And I don't know if you noticed that, because I'd run it before. First time you run it, it's going to create this beam file as well, because we're running on what's called the beam. So there we have it. That's basically how you install Erlang on a Windows 11 machine, and then just get it running in Visual Studio Code, or usable in Visual Studio Code. So I'm just going to quit out of this. Let's just Q, and then don't forget the dots, and we're out. Thanks once again for watching. Bye for now, and I will catch you in a future episode.